Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we're going to be reviewing Costco. They actually reported earnings last night. So let's take a look at the chart. It's insane. Let's take a look at some of these financial data points. Let's see what institutions and hedge funds are doing. I'm wearing my heating pad. I slept wrong on my neck, so it hurts. Anyway, let's jump in. All right, we are on FinViz. We're gonna look for Costco, C-O-S-T. Excuse me. All right, Costco did report yesterday. So, excuse me, look at this chart. Oh my God. Since 2024, it's up about $105. Last June, it's up it's over $300. Well, almost $300 up. So, insane. Let's go ahead and go to the bigger picture as we normally do. Wow. It's like one big bull flag where you have the flagpole, the flag, and the boom. Crazy. Strength is hot. It actually might be getting overbought right here. MACD is really high too. This is going to need to come down eventually. Money flow, you can see it go up, and there's a little bloop, 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 kind of going down. I don't know if it's going to go bloop, bloop, or if it's going to go bloop, bloop. Look at this relative momentum index. Holy cow. Okay. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Shares outstanding, beautiful. It's been relatively the same-ish. 2019, they had 439 million shares outstanding. 2023, they have 442 million shares outstanding. It's about less than a 3 million dilution, but I mean, this is Costco. Price earnings says this is expensive. Forward price earnings says it's also expensive. It's paying for a premium. Gross margin 12%, which is fine. I mean, this is Costco. They're profitable, which is good. So let's go ahead and plug in my calculation. Not mouse jiggler. Let's do the calculation on the calculator. So they have 332 550 billion. 332,550 million, yes. Market cap plus 6,520,000,000 in income, plus 245,650,000,000, 245,650,000,000, yes. Wow, that's insane. Okay, we're gonna go down and add cash and debt. Total cash is 13 billion, which is the highest they've ever had. Good for them. Plus 13,700,000,000. Total debt, we're going to remove 7,890,000,000. Okay. And total assets 68.9 billion. Total liabilities 43.9 billion. That is a whopping $26 billion buffer. That's great. If we go back a few years, that's huge. That's actually the best. They're running very, very well. Good job. Good job, Costco. Yeah, I mean, are there any insiders buying or selling? Selling. Crazy. Okay. Let's go back to the tippy top. Right here. We're going to take this and divide it by the float, which is 441,610,000. So this thing is stock price of $1,000. I don't think it's wrong. I think it's I think it's ahead of where the stock is right now, though, for freaking sure. That is huge. Huge, huge, huge. A lot of the calculations I've been doing this week are just way over the top of what it has been historically. So it essentially just tells me the stock is probably going to go higher. Institutions own 69% currently. However, that data is older because FinViz does not actively update their site consistently. So this is the newer data. Old data is 69.9. New data is, I'm going to say 70 or 80. 74. That's about a 15% increase. That is huge. Vanguard owns 40 million shares. BlackRock owns 30 million shares. Holy cow. And they increased their positions. That's crazy. So I just think Costco's might go higher. Let's open up the chart here for Costco. This is Kroger. My Kroger video, you could see every time I hit a new all-time high, it consolidated and expanded for almost 10 years. So that is not the case with Costco. I've charted this one out before. Holy cow. So let's look at this one on the yearly. How insane. In 1987, this was a 30. Oh, it must have went through a split. Damn. Yeah. So let's just look what it did. I want to see what it did in 2021, which was here, right here. This was due to the Great Lockdown. I mean, man, my mouse has been not good. Okay. So if we go off of the bottom of the Great Lockdown, I want to wait for Costco. Look at that. The stock has never been below this price. I would want to buy it if it touched this or went below it. And it's never been above this price here. So it might breach this channel we just created. And I have a price target of 1,000, which is crazy. So let's go here. This is insane. So the $1,000 price mark would obviously be, what was my 1,300? Yeah, it would be like up here. So if I am bullish on this stock, I would think, oh my gosh, like even November, it went from 532. That's like over $250 a share. In 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5 months. So the bull case, I would say 795, just because it hits its head on this channel right here. Bear case 679, 649. So yeah, I mean Costco, you can't go wrong owning Costco in the long run. Look at history. But it needs to take a break. Let's look at any trends right here really quick. My mouse, man, I swear. Oh my God. Okay, trends. Let's look at trends for this lower half down here. So basically, consolidation from 86 to 96, 10 years. Then we broke out to new all-time highs. After we hit the new all-time high, that took, right here is where it broke out. So 2000 to 2010. Okay. And it's just been going and going and going and going. Like I can't even, like where would I, there's no consolidation at all. If I had to do like a, I mean, even in the, when that news came out of China, like the stock barely went down. I mean, it went down significantly from 372 to 290. That's nothing. Like there's nothing bringing the stock down. Yeah, I think this just needs to chill, but it's non-stop. So my long-term price target is 1330. But I think that would take years, I think, to get to, unless we go into a crazy market mania. But I don't know. There was some consolidation right here though on this high. But again, this only took 2021 to 2023, like 2 years exact. So insane. Yeah. Let me know what you think about Costco. Again, my takeaway, my thesis, my bullish thesis is 785. Bearish thesis is 680 to 640, 650. So if you guys made it this far, considering subscribe, consider hitting the like button. Tell me what you think. Have a great weekend.